Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. The goal of my YouTube channel is to introduce you to my fast cooking system. The word fast is the acronym for flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking. My cooking system is to help you to make home cooking practical, efficient, fun, and healthy. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to cook a chicken mushroom dish to achieve the flavor of wok hei. In a previous video, I have demonstrated how to achieve wok hei in a broccoli stir fry. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to achieve wok hei in a chicken stir fry dish. I prepped this chicken in advance and I cut them into relatively large pieces as shown in this video. I prepped them in such a way so that I could thaw them out in less than 10 minutes in a bowl of warm water. To achieve wok hei and the flavor that I prefer, I coat them first with some pepper flakes. To this, I add some Tim's Black Market dry rub that I found at a butcher shop. Of course, you can season it exactly how you like it. Next, I'm going to coat the chicken with thin layer of cornstarch. The cornstarch turned out to be critical in creating wok hei for the chicken, and I will explain to you a little bit later as I cook. The cornstarch will trap the seasoning with the chicken, provided with the flavor that I'm looking for. I'm going to cook this dish in my 14-inch Cucina stainless steel wok. This wok has a large flat surface area. It actually measures 9 inches across. Therefore, it can double as a small frying pan. I season the wok with my spot seasoning method. If you are not familiar with this method, you can take a look at this video. As I have discovered in my previous video, a wok hei has 3 basic criteria. They are the Maillard reaction, caramelization, and charring. When you have all these 3 characteristics come together, it provides the type of flavor that we frequently define as wok hei. The charring aspect is probably one of the most significant characteristics of food that cook with wok hei. In a commercial kitchen, the charring is actually produced by the fire that's lit with the burning of the oil film. However, in home kitchen, where ventilation is only modest, and this is impractical and also could be dangerous. And therefore, an alternative way to create charring is to coat the food ingredients, in this case the chicken, with cornstarch. And then by using a shallow frying technique, you actually can create quite a bit charring on the surface of the chicken. This will create the charring that you are looking for in wok hei. I fry the chicken on one side for about 20 to 30 seconds to create the charring that I'm looking for, and then I turn the chicken around. Coating the chicken with the seasoning actually has 2 functions. First of all, it will enhance the flavor of the chicken, but it also will enhance the charring of the chicken. As you can see here, the chicken actually char very nicely. Using this technique, I'm able to achieve all 3 aspects of wok hei: Maillard reaction, caramelization, and charring. While I am cooking the other side of the chicken, I'm going to lay the mushroom directly over the chicken. This will be one way for me to save time in the cooking process. At the same time, I would like to have everything cooked just right because I do not want to either overcook the chicken or the mushroom. I spread out the mushroom as much as I can while I'm frying the chicken on the other side. I take a quick look at the chicken. It looks like they are almost done. So I'm going to switch to a wok spatula and I'm going to stir fry everything together. At this point, I keep the heat all the way up to the highest setting, and I'm cooking on a glass top electric stove, and I have plenty of heat to achieve what I want. The mushroom takes very little time to cook, and I would like to keep the mushroom as firm as possible, so I try not to overcook them. Actually, by this point, the dish is almost ready. In fact, I turn off the heat. I'm going to season the dish very lightly with a touch of oyster sauce, followed by some hoisin sauce. This is a very simple flavoring strategies. And finally, I'm going to garnish the dish with some scallions. As you can see here, I try not to create any excess sauce because the concentration of the sauce will make the ingredients have more intense flavor. However, occasionally I will add a bit of water to create a light sauce. To cook this dish, actually I leave the chicken in a relatively large pieces. They are probably twice as large as I normally would cut them. They are almost like the size of chicken tender, as I have demonstrated in another video. Actually, there's quite a difference in the dining experience when you cut the chicken larger. I actually like them both, but this way give me some variations between different chicken dishes. Okay, now the dish is done, and I garnish it with a little bit of additional scallions. So as you can see here, stir frying actually is simple and complex at the same time. You can create many different versions of the same dish by making small variations. This is the essence of template-based cooking and flavor chasing. If you find this information helpful to you in your cooking, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post a new video each day to help people to understand and to adopt my fast cooking system. With flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking, it will help you to make home cooking sustainable, fun, and healthy. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.